Hey guys, it's Jackie. How are you? So you guys, I am going to break down this vegan bundle for you one last time. I know Marcy and I have not stopped talking about this bundle. It's because it's so amazing and it's only available today. Is literally the last time you're gonna be able to get the vegan bundle ever. We are saving you so much money. Our 7-day starter kit, our Plant Chics 7-day starter kit is included in the vegan bundle. That alone is $25. You spend an extra $25 and you get 89 more eBooks. That is crazy, crazy amazing. So I'm gonna take it to my computer, to my laptop. I'm gonna show you exactly all the different books that are included, who it's for, all that fun stuff. And then I'm actually gonna show you a spreadsheet, a breakdown of all the different kinds of recipes, from breakfast to juices to smoothies to lunch to desserts to dinners, all the breakdown of the 3,048 recipes that you get. And finally, I'm going to show you what it looks like when you purchase the vegan bundle, the access page that you get, how simple it is to download, and how freaking beautiful the ebooks are. So I hope you enjoy, and you guys don't delay. You have to get this bundle right now, today. All right, let's do this. Stop what you're doing, you guys. Today's the last day you can get your hands on this vegan bundle. There are 90 ebooks for $50. If they were sold individually, which they all will be after Saturday morning, then guess what? You're spending almost $2,000. You're getting so many different vegan guides, weight loss plans, a bazillion recipes, or more like over 3,000 recipes, workout routines, and so much more. You're getting a 97% discount on these, and literally, there's something in here for everyone. If you're vegan, boom, you're good. If you're considering being vegan, this is definitely what you want. And if you're not vegan, guess what? You can add animal-based products to these recipes. There's 3,000. And you can also get all kinds of good workouts in there too. Emotional eating, ebook. Look at this. So many amazing influencers contributed to this, you guys. So incredible. Don't delay. Get your vegan bundle today. Check out all these amazing ebooks. Oh my gosh, so good, you guys. And voila, you gotta get your hands on this one. The Bundle Co. actually broke it up by recipe, like how many breakfasts, smoothies, snacks, salads and bowls, mains, desserts, sauces, breads, and drinks. And look, all of this, you guys, totally broken down per ebook. And you can see you're not just getting juices and salads, you're getting all kinds of amazing goodies. And here is the final count, guys. 508 breakfasts, 212 smoothies. Look at all those snacks, 288. You get the gist. Wow, wow, wow. This is a no-brainer, guys. Once you actually order, you pay for an order, the vegan bundle, then this is your access page. And this is, again, on my laptop, but you can access this from your phone, here's ours, from your iPad, your Kindle, whatever. You can get it from anywhere. And I have not downloaded the coconut bowls ebook yet, so I am going to do that right now. And you can see how flippin' easy it is to download. So I just click here, access, and it comes to this page, and I click download, and it's being downloaded here. So we're going to, this is real time, right here, check it out, pretty amazing. Open it up, and let's look how pretty it is. Look at that. You guys, do you have a coconut bowl yet? I love these bad boys. Oh, look at the pictures. Look at the quality of this. And this is how every single one of these ebooks are. They are incredible. Don't you just want to jump in there and look at this? This is over 225 pages, but look at all of the different topics. Like, we've got so many different recipes in here that are included, and I cannot wait. I promise you, I will be posting recipes that I make from this ebook in the future. So you want to get your hands on this vegan bundle today. Today's the last day. Make it happen.